Step into the Ram 2020 2500 Bighorn. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include transmission, 6-speed automatic, 68 RFE, included, chrome accent shift control, front fog lamps, tires, LT275/70R18 EBSWS, STD, wheels, 18-inch x 8.0 inches polished aluminum, 3.73 axle ratio, STD, diesel gray black premium cloth bucket seats included. Bucket seats manual adjust 4-way front passenger seat power adjust 8-way driver seat folding flat load floor storage rear 60/40 folding seat front seat back map pockets power 2-way driver lumbar adjust full length upgraded floor console, level 1 equipment group included, radio Uconnect 4 with 8.4 display Google Android Auto 1-year Sirius XM radio service Sirius XM satellite radio integrated